Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Nike SB Vertebrae. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Vertebrae skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in men's UK size 9, US 10, Europe 44, Brazil 42, 28 cm, and it's also in a women's US size 11.5, and this pair is in the Dark Raisin, Black, Concord, University Gold colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, and let's peel back the wrapping paper to reveal the Nike SB Vertebrae in the Dark Raisin, Black, Concord, University Gold colourway. Let's lift up the left shoe first and focus on it as we set the box to the side on the left, and giving you a look at the shoe. And let's do a 360 rotation so we have that full and clear initial look before we take much closer in looks at its details. So you can see the overall dark raisin or purple upper of the shoe, and just checking the material sticker or composition sticker that's inside of the shoe. We can see that the upper is made out of textile and leather. If we can so focus on that white material sticker on the insole. Okay, so now that we know that that purple suede is actually leather, and of course there are some textile details as well, so giving you that close-up look to that very sporty upper design, and of course the perforations around the side of the shoe and the stitching details as well. So you can see that suede, very short nap suede in that dark raisin or purple color. And as we move slowly towards the back or quarter section or midfoot section, you can see of course more details for the midsole. So it does have a foam midsole. Now we can see the kind of dual layer with black as well as the white lower or outsole part of it. So around the midfoot area we can see the University Gold or kind of orangey yellow Nike swoosh, embossed with a raised border around it. And just giving you a look at that fabric or textile section with these channels around that Nike swoosh. So you can see that midfoot design of the upper. And as we move towards the back part, once again we see that short nap suede and the stitching details as well. So just rubbing my finger along that surface to give you some sense of that suede making up part of the upper of this Nike SB Vertebrae. So you can see lots of lines and textures to give the shoe a sporty look. And now taking a look directly from the back of the shoe, you can see a black back tab or heel tab, and giving you a look behind of it, and you can see the grain or texture to that leather, and of course towards the heel part with the heel counter Nike SB branding on it. As we move towards the inner side of the shoe, you can see the kind of sleekness and sportiness of this lace-up skateboarding shoe, and of course once again the continuation of that dark raisin or purple suede panel, and of course the textile feels somewhat abrasion resistant design for that midsection panel, and of course once again we see that Nike swoosh, which feels like soft plastic or even possibly soft rubber or hard rubber. As we move towards the front part of the shoe again, we see that symmetrical design with the holes around the toe section or front part of the shoe. And as we move towards the front or tip or toe of the shoe, we see that black embossed Nike stamped at the tip. And taking a look along the length of the shoe, and we can see the laces as well with the lacing system and that Nike tongue. So right there, giving you an overall sense along the length of the shoe's design with that Nike SB branding, with that horizontal or vertical orientation, and with the tongue having a thickness to it and softness to it as well. So it's quite puffy. And of course, taking a look at the back of the tongue with that tongue label right there on the reverse, and as well, of course, with the ankle and heel collar padding. So ankle is firmly bolstered with a medium level of thickness that goes all around and narrows slightly or thins out slightly towards the heel section. And of course, we saw the material sticker earlier, just to confirm that the upper consists of leather and textile. So giving you a look once again at that sticker and around the inside details of the shoe. So we can see Nike SB branding on the sock liner in University Gold, and just giving you a sense of the interior of the shoe as well. And now taking a look at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see that it is white and does have this hole-like traction pattern right across the length of the shoe. So giving you that close-up look to that organic hole-like design for its traction pattern. And it does have these little flex screws or notches around the outsole or edges of the sole. And for the midfoot area, we see that University Gold Nike swoosh once again, and those contours that go around in a wave-like pattern. And towards the heel part, once again, we see that hole-like structure much like what we saw towards the front. And to give you some sense of the rubber sole, just dragging my finger along the surface and tapping my fingernail on it as well. And of course, to give you some sense of the shoe's flexibility, firmness or stiffness or pliability, I'm going to do a bend or flexibility test with my hands right there to give you some sense of its movement. And now just popping the shoe back in shape. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down as we bring the Nike shoe box back in frame. and popping out the right shoe, and of course we see there is a decal or sticker with the white Nike SB branding on it. So just setting the box back to the side, and of course the Nike SB sticker as well, just setting there to the side for completeness. And now giving you a look at the right shoe for this Nike SB Vertebrae. And of course, let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well for that complete look in one go. And of course, taking a close-up look at its details. So once again, we see that overall purple suede upper with those textile or fabric panels, which feels, as I mentioned earlier, abrasion resistant. And we can see that the Nike SB swoosh is well protected from wear in that depressed and raised border design. And of course, a look at the back, we see that leather heel tab or back tab and Nike SB branding towards the heel part of the shoe. And of course the outer side, once again we see that multi-textured design with suede and textile details, and of course the stitching details and plenty of contours around the uppers design. And of course taking a look at the inside on this side as well, just taking a look and seeing if we can find any new details. So around the back of the tongue, once again, that tongue very puffy and thick and lightly padded. And on the inside we see the Nike SB branding once again. On the insole. And for the bottom of the shoe, once again we see that hole-like design along the length of the shoe with that depressed Nike swoosh in the midsection of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. And the bottoms or soles of the shoes. So that's the Nike SB Vertebrae. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!